Akhilesh Yadav has attacked the Modi government over One Nation, One Bill after Congress. Samajwadi Party has slammed Modi over the One Nation, One Bill. Akhilesh says the conspiracy to destroy the Samvidhan, says the boss of the Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav, right there. Congress had said Modi government can't bulldoze everything. Congress had said bid to finish small and regional parties. Listen in to what the SPs now say.
हमारी पार्टी उसका इंट्रोडक्शन का ही विरोध करेगी क्योंकि वो संविधान की तमाम धाराओं के खिलाफ है और वो बिल पास होने के बाद भी जो कमियां अभी हैं कि पैसा बहुत खर्च होता है तब भी अगर विधानसभा भंग हो जाती है बीच में, अगर अविश्वास प्रस्ताव से या लोग दल बदल करके इधर उधर चले जाते हैं तो तत्काल फिर चुनाव कीजिए, तो चुनाव तो होते ही रहेंगे इधर उधर।
Amit Bhardwaj getting in more details on that story, but expected that the opposition is going to, and especially the regional parties like Samajwadi Party, have their own concerns about the bill, then finishing off this law, finishing off regional parties, isn't it, Amit? And that's exactly what they're voicing.
Right, Sneha, you know, while it was expected that the NDA parties will be supporting One Nation, One Election, the India bloc parties will be opposing it. But Akhilesh Yadav and Samajwadi Party have come out with more critical attack on One Nation, One Election. And Akhilesh Yadav has said that this particular bill is dangerous to the very spirit of Constitution of India. Moreover, he is saying that the importance of the states will be reduced, the issues of state, the cultural identity, the language identity, all of these will be, in a way, their importance will be reduced if there is one nation, one election, because the overriding factor during the elections, simultaneous elections will be the issues of the central level, which mean that the importance of the state assemblies will get reduced. Along with that, he is also claiming that this would also reduce the importance of Rajya Sabha, because the representation in Rajya Sabha is in a way connected with the state assemblies. People who get elected to the Rajya Sabha come through the mandate of the strength that you have in the state. So clearly Akhilesh Yadav going in a more minute detail, and his analysis is based on the on this argument that this will reduce, weaken the federal structure of the country, reduce the importance of the state and state-based issues, as well as the importance of the state assemblies and the Rajya Sabha. Back to you, Sneha.
All right.